Alright, step 2 here. We got the oxtail. So it says what you gotta do, dry it after you thoroughly clean and disinfect it with vinegar. Well, the proper way to clean the meat aside water is with vinegar, and then you want to dry it on a paper towel. I'm going to rinse this bowl out here, and then by hand I'm going to add in the other ingredients, so it's easier to do it, well, not easier, better flavoring that way. And this is a small serving of oxtail, not having company or anything, really just cooking it for my man Crush Monday because it's his favorite dish, and I don't cook it often. It's more of a Sunday dish kind of thing. So about the brown sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar. You want to sprinkle on top of the meat, season it. So I've got right here. It's really good. Last time, anyways, there was no shortage on the brown sugar. So there you go. On top of it, sprinkle brown sugar here. So nicely seasoned. That's a really imperative part of this, besides the brown sugar. Some oxtail sauce, or oxtail seasoning, just a little bit. Mix it up. I don't add salt and pepper because you can add salt and pepper, but as is, it's already got all that stuff, salt and pepper, in it. So with the salt and pepper, it's extra cholesterol, you know. So I say a tablespoon of soy sauce. Sprinkle a little. Oh, that was a little bit more. And then a little bit more. Tablespoon of Worcester sauce right here, so it can marinate nicely. And then one of the most important parts is I use a Grace Jamaican. You can get it at any Caribbean store or international section, Caribbean side. Some browning, just to get that nice glazed, that nice caramelized kind of glaze. Mix it up. I don't know how to do it with my hands. Mix it up just a bit. I'll put it in the fridge for about an hour, let it marinate. Then chop up my carrots and scallions here. First, after I'm done marinating that, I'm going to throw it in the pot. A little bit of vegetable oil. Let it brown a little bit. And then after it browns a little bit, then I'll take it out. Step 3 and step 4. It's not rocket science. Then I'll get back to y'all. Stay tuned.